Pillsbury white cake mix is a favorite for many home bakers. It offers a light and fluffy texture that makes it perfect for any occasion. However, when it comes to icing, many people are concerned about sugar content. Fortunately, there are several icing choices that can complement your Pillsbury white cake while keeping sugar levels in check. First, let's talk about whipped cream. Whipped cream is a fantastic option because it is light and airy. You can make it even healthier by using a sugar substitute. This way, you can enjoy that creamy texture without the high sugar content. You can also add a splash of vanilla extract or a sprinkle of cocoa powder for extra flavor. Next, consider cream cheese frosting. Cream cheese has a rich taste that pairs beautifully with white cake. By using reduced-fat cream cheese and a sugar alternative, you can create a delicious frosting that is lower in sugar. Mixing in some lemon juice can also brighten the flavor and balance the creaminess. Another great option is a fruit-based icing. You can blend fresh fruits like strawberries or raspberries into a puree. This natural sweetness from the fruit can provide flavor without adding too much sugar. You can use this fruit puree as a glaze or even mix it into your whipped cream for a fruity twist. Now, let's explore a simple glaze. A glaze made from a sugar substitute and a little bit of milk can create a shiny finish for your cake. This option is quick and easy to make. Just mix your sugar substitute with milk until you reach the desired consistency. Drizzle it over the top of your cake for a beautiful presentation. If you enjoy the flavor of chocolate, a low-sugar chocolate ganache is another excellent choice. You can make ganache using dark chocolate and a sugar substitute. Dark chocolate usually has less sugar than milk chocolate, making it a better option. Melt the chocolate with a little bit of heavy cream or coconut milk to create a rich and indulgent topping. For those who prefer something nutty, a nut butter icing can be a unique choice. Almond or peanut butter can add a creamy texture and rich flavor. To keep it lower in sugar, mix in a sugar substitute and a bit of vanilla extract. This option is not only delicious, but also adds protein to your cake. Another popular choice is a yogurt frosting. Greek yogurt has a thick and creamy texture. You can sweeten it with a low-calorie sweetener. Adding a hint of vanilla or almond extract can elevate the flavor. This icing is great for those looking for a healthier option that still tastes good. Lastly, a simple dusting of powdered sugar can be an elegant touch. If you want to keep sugar to a minimum, you can use a sugar substitute powdered version. A light sprinkle over the top can add a nice finish without overwhelming the flavor of your cake. When choosing an icing for your Pillsbury white cake, think about your flavor preferences. You can mix and match these ideas to create a unique combination that suits your taste. The key is to maintain the balance between flavor and sugar content. Remember, baking should be fun and enjoyable. Do not be afraid to experiment with different ingredients. You may discover a new favorite along the way. With these icing choices, you can have your cake and enjoy it too without the guilt of too much sugar. In conclusion, Pillsbury white cake mix offers a delightful base for many delicious icings. From whipped cream to yogurt frosting, there are many choices to suit your needs. Enjoy your baking adventures and share them with your loved ones. Thank you for your time watching this. Like and subscribe for future content.